Hi there. So we're going to try something different and see if this works for you. And I have to have this back further than what I like just because of, I can't turn it sideways to get a bigger screen. So I'll go back and forth as I need to. So if you look at the top, the very first thing you're going to do on every problem is write a balanced chemical equation. Remember to check and make sure you have the right formulas. You can always look these things up online. If you typed in copper 2 nitrate, you'll find that formula. Okay, so that's a helpful hint. The step 2 is you're going to set up your equation. Always begin with your unknown. That's what the amount is that's in your problem. So the value that's a number in your problem is where you're going to start. Then if it's grams, you're going to have to go to moles. And with moles, the only way to go from grams to moles is through the molar mass right here. So once you get to this point, you can cancel out your grams of copper, and now you have moles of copper. Next, you're going to need the mole-mole ratio from the equation, and you're going to put what you're looking for in the numerator, what you have on the denominator, because they also have to cancel. They will cancel. Then the next thing is you need the molar mass. You need your molar mass of whatever it is you're looking for, your unknown. This is called the unknown. This one's the given over here, unknown here. And then you just do the math. Remember, it would be 8.6 divided by 63.55 times 2 times 107.9. And you get that value. Okay. Now, the next question asks you for the moles of silver, of the unknown, of the other, well, that's not the right phrase, of the other product. Okay, right there. That is the copper 2 nitrate. So you have to start with something else because that's where you're going. You can't start there, obviously. And so I'm starting with the same thing I started with here. I've already found the molar mass of copper. You could have taken this value, but why go to the extra effort of having to go look up the molar mass of silver? So we start here. So in other words, I'm telling you, anything that you know, you can use. And you know that, okay? So you could use that if you prefer, but I go with what I already know. So we go from here to here. We again have to divide. We have to have the moles on in the numerator. Then you go from moles of what you know to moles of what you're looking for. That has to be in the numerator. And that's the copper 2 nitrate. There's your value for that. 0.135 moles of copper 2 nitrate. Okay. Next step, which is actually B, you have to go from moles of your copper 2 nitrate because they're asking for grams of it. You already have this. And that's the simplest. It's only one step. I could start all the way back up here if I wanted to, but that would not be a good idea. Start with what you have that's the exact same compound. So I've got my moles of copper 2 nitrate. I need my molar mass. Here it is down here. So you can check yours because if you didn't get the right answer, that may be why. And then there's the answer. All right. 25.3 grams of copper 2 nitrate. So this problem has everything except a mole problem in it. So every type of problem on your worksheet is on here. The only thing else that you would have to do differently is this is called a mass problem. That's what we did yesterday. That's the longest and hardest. This is a mass mole problem because we're going from mass of one to mole of another. Okay, so mole, mass to mole. You have to have the molar mass. And then the other thing is that because we don't have that one on here, but you can just go backwards. This one would be a mole mass problem if I worked that direction. So technically that one's here too. And then this is a mole to mass problem with it being the same compound. Okay, this is going from one compound to another. You should have, I think, both of these on your in your notes, but I don't think you had one of these, which is just the reverse of mole to mass. So anyway, good luck. I will be free. I got sick. Didn't get to go to Nashville today, so I'll be home. So given different times, I'll be checking my emails. Good luck with e-learning next week. Again, I'll be around for that as well. Take care. Bye.